Hello YouTube, what's up? I would like to show you how to enable the develop option in Android. It is ideally the same way how to enable in all Android based devices such as tablets, phones, so and so. Let me explain you a bit about the develop option. Uh, Develop option which required to be enabled in order to root your phone, in order to USB debugging, enable the USB debugging, unlock your bootloader, and also just tweak your animation to give your phone a zipper feel. Um, so let me show you quickly how to enable it. So basically you have to go to settings. So in this scenario I make a shortcut to setting in order to access easily, right? Settings, and just it's here now because I have enabled. So let me disable it again. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I disabled. Okay, now if you go settings, it should show under the about phone. So at the moment you can't see because I disabled. Okay, how to enable it? Just simply go to about phone. Okay, then go to software information. Because why we are going through this way, because you need to find the name called build number. Okay, build number, either other phones, other Android version, I'm not pretty sure, probably it's definitely under somewhere about phone. So in this scenario it's under the software information, and now you have to click several times under the on the build number. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, as soon as I click 7 tab, it will ask me to enter security code in order to unlock the option. Okay, here we go. Now let's go to setting back and see. Oh, there is develop options. So there's a lot of fancy features, and guys, this is on your risk, because this feature might jeopardize your phone, so be careful. And this all for the study purpose only. Thank you guys, have a nice day.